Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert or how to write the superscript in your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to write or how to insert a superscript in your LibreOffice calc, I just going to show in this video. For an example, I just need to type as 2 power of 2 and a power of 2 and b power of 2, or b square, a square, 2 square, whatever you can just say. So first of all, select the number you just need to make it as a superscript. Then click on the format option, go to the text, and here you can find the superscript, and the keyboard shortcut was Ctrl Shift plus P. Click this. So this is the way that you can just make a superscript in your LibreOffice calc. Just click on this format, click on the text, and just go to the superscript. That's it. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from It May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.